Hello everyone, this is Anna from Leximbue Journals. Welcome to Tag Team Friday. Today we're going to create a tag that I've themed and named Opulence. And for this tag, I have used images from the French Fashion Ladies bundle from the Graphics Fairy Premium membership site. And I have also used an image from the Antique Sheet Music Part 2. This one. So to start with, I will fold this image because I want to use it as the background for both sides of my tag. I have printed out these images and I've decided on using this fancy fireplace and the ornate wall and the four French costume ladies. And then I have also taken these figures from the collage, a collage of smaller figures, the 2.5-inch French women collages. I will fold the one that I will be using as a tag and turn it inside out. And I will create the shape of my tag. I have both sides ready and I will glue them together. The base of the tag is now ready, and now I will decorate it. So I'm going to cut around this lady. I will distress the image a bit. And she's ready. Now I'm going to use this image here onto the tag, but I will not use the whole of it. We'll use a part of it so we can still see the background, the music background. And I will add to the part that I want to go. So I'm going to glue it onto this first. And I'm going to glue it over. So we can still get a lot of it on. All right. And remove the part of the image that I don't want. So we got that there. And our opulent lady will stand here. All right. Now I'm going to add this image up here. I did some distress ink around it. I will use a little brad because I like to create the movement, the circular movement, but I don't want to pinch her onto her face. So I'm going to create the hole over there and then add it here. I'm not going to do anything yet. I'm just going to leave it like this. I'm going to move it onto the other side, and I will attach the fireplace as well here. Add the glue there. And then I will cut around the bits that we don't want, just to keep the tag in the right shape. All right. I will add this one here, there, and now I can unfold my brad. And I will add these two ladies here on the bottom of the tag. And here, right onto the edge. There. So finally, what is left is to add punch my hole. There. And add my little ribbon, which I will fit in from the back, create a loop, take it out, and take it through there. And it's ready. So I'll show you the back again. There we are. And this is the front. Now I'm going to define my tag. From the back and from the front. And just to give it a little bit more of an opulence, an air of opulence and glamour, I will use some of my gilding wax, and add some gold on the edges, as I like to do sometimes. So there it is, all ready. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will be back soon. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.